take your sticky notes, put them into verticals. Don't name your verticals or anything right now. Everything that you think is relevant, same type of sub problems tumko dikh raha hai, right? If you find that there can be some relation, any relation, we don't know what the relation is right now. You might not even know how to define it. But if you feel that they are similar in nature, है ना, उनको एक vertical में डालो. You should have a minimum of 3 verticals on your boards right now. If you do not have 3, it means something is wrong. You started by putting them on verticals. That is wrong. You never want to do that, because when you start out by making patterns, your mind starts thinking along those lines as well, right? So scatter everything, rearrange and put it in verticals according to how you see fit. Whatever verticals you have right now, name them, right? Name your verticals based on whatever you think is common between all of them. So while you're doing this, you're going to find that certain things don't fit anymore, है ना? So you can recreate new verticals right now if you want. That's okay. Look at your verticals and you're going to divide every sticky note, right? Every sticky note on your board into 2 categories. One is a cause and the second is an effect, right? So go vertical by vertical, right? Look at a sticky note and try and think, is that the cause of the problem statement that you've written, or is it an effect of the problem statement that you've written? Resource wasted, right? So they are working on agriculture, so they say resources wasted. So let's just say that they want to say pesticides are wasted, right? What is that? Is that a cause or an effect? In order to understand, all you need to do is ask why. Why are agricultural resources wasted? If you have an answer, then the answer that you just received is the cause, and what you were asking why against was your effect. So divide every stick. So write C for cause या फिर E for effect on the sticky note itself. You realize in complex problem systems that sometimes the cause or the effect for a certain problem lies in another aspect of some other domain. Domain as in some other vertical, right? So that is why sometimes you are in a certain vertical and you're trying to look for the solution of the problem, trying to understand the problem, you have no idea where it comes from, right? Because तुमको दूसरे verticals की information नहीं आ रहा है. Build your own, create your own system to mark those patterns on your sticky notes. कि अगर ये cause या effect है तो फिर उसका मतलब counterpart कहाँ है, right? Maybe use numbers, whatever you want to do, because we're going to move the sticky notes around, we're going to break patterns. One of the reasons why the design thinking methodology works is that it is iterative, right? In design thinking, nobody ever gets comfortable. आप लोगों को कभी comfortable होना ही नहीं है. Don't be comfortable with a problem statement. Don't be comfortable with a single, sticky note that you have. Do not be comfortable. Do not think that a board is exactly going to be the way it looks right now. Do not think that a problem statement is going to be what it looks right now. In fact, you shouldn't even think that your product or solution will be what it looks right now in the next 5 years, है ना? Otherwise, how will we grow, right? Growth stagnant हो जाएगा if we start getting into comfort zones कि नहीं ये board बनाया 3 घंटा मेहनत करके अब इसको तोड़ना नहीं है. Never. Right, which is counterintuitive, because as human beings we look for comfort, right? किसी को चाहिए chaos, किसी को चाहिए, है ना? Right? Having said that, सब लोग pluck your sticky notes out of your board, pluck it out. Yeah, you can do it randomly, you can do it in order, whatever. I'm not giving you any information about what we are going to do after this.